Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of NEBO Unboxed. My name's Zach, and today we are unboxing the PAL 360 by NEBO. The PAL 360 is the next generation of the PAL series, and a true 3-in-1 light. It's a rechargeable 150 lumen LED flashlight, a 2000 milliamp hour power bank, and a 2-speed personal fan. It comes packaged in a sleek box, great for gifting, but let's go ahead and open it up and take a closer look. Opening the PAL 360 is simple. Just cut or peel back any tape connecting the top and bottom of the box, and then open the top of the box. After taking out the PAL 360, you'll also find the user manual with operating instructions and warranty information, and in the corner section of the box, you'll also find the USB-C charging cable which is included with the light. Okay, so here it is, the PAL 360. Power and light with a fan. Its design is sleek and simple. The PAL 360 has one dual-function power button and a silicone-covered charging port. It also comes with an elastic lanyard for convenient carrying. Operating the PAL 360 is simple. The LED flashlight turns on and off with a simple press and hold of the power button. Press and hold once to turn the light on. The flashlight only has one mode and is up to 150 lumens with a runtime of up to 4 hours. Press and hold again to turn the light off. The PAL 360's durable ABS construction features soft, removable rubber blades with intelligent fan control that stops the motor with contact. The convenient cover folds over the fan when not in use and also doubles as a stand. To operate the fan, open the PAL 360 by lifting the end with the lanyard attachment. Press the power button once to activate in low mode, which will run for approximately 22 hours on a fully charged battery. Press again to switch the fan to high mode, which will run for approximately 12 hours on a full charge. A third press of the power button will turn the fan off. To charge the PAL 360, open the charging port by lifting the silicone port cover. Plug the USB-C charging cable into the smaller port here, and the other end of that cable into an adapter. A full charge will take 2 to 4 hours. While charging, an LED will illuminate to indicate the power level. The indicator will flash red while charging and will change to a solid red light when fully charged. To use the power bank, simply plug your device into the larger USB port here, also found under the silicone port cover. Once you plug your device into the PAL 360, it will flash green while the PAL 360's battery remains above 25%. Once below 25%, the indicator light will shine solid green, indicating that you should charge the PAL 360 soon. Okay, so that is the PAL 360 from NEBO. It's a rechargeable 150 lumen flashlight, a 2000 milliamp hour power bank, and a cooling personal fan. The PAL 360 keeps you cool, keeps you charged, and lights your way. Well, that's going to do it for this episode of NEBO Unboxed. Once again, thanks for joining me. I'm Zach, and I'll see you next time.